we're told the quantities x and y are proportional. And then they give us a table where they give us a bunch of x's, and then they give us the corresponding y's. When x is 4, y is 10. When x is 5, y is 12.5, and so on and so forth. Find the constant of proportionality r in the equation y is equal to r times x. So pause this video and see if you can figure that out. All right, so we want to find the constant of proportionality. I sometimes have trouble saying that. R, where for any x, if I multiply it by r, I get y. Well, we just have to look at each of these x's and figure out, well, what are we multiplying by to get to y? So what do I have to multiply 4 by to get to 10? Well, if you multiply it by 10 fourths, then you're going to get to 10. And 10 fourths is the same thing as multiplying it by, let's see, that is 2.5. So this is times 2.5. So let's see, does that hold? In every case, if I multiply by 2.5, if I multiply x by 2.5, do I get y? So 5 times 2.5, 5 times 2 is 10, and then another half is 2.5. It indeed does equal 12.5. 5 times 2.5. And then here, 10 times 2.5 is clearly 25. And you could work it out by hand. I did a little bit of the multiplication in my head. But you can see in every case, I take my x, I multiply it by 2.5, I get my y. So in every case, I take my x, multiply it by the constant of proportionality, 2.5, I get my y. So what's the constant of proportionality? It is 2.5.